Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and today I will tell you what to do if your Shipt background check has failed. Shipt is an American company that provides delivery services for food, household chemicals, and other goods to the home. In a short time, the company has earned the trust of thousands of customers thanks to its reliability, promptness, and quality of service. The basis of Shipt's successful operation is a careful approach to the selection of employees who interact with customers and goods daily. In this context, background checks play a key role, allowing the company to guarantee safety and a high level of trust from customers. The checks include analysis of criminal past, verification of driving licenses, and other aspects that can affect the quality and safety of the services provided. In this process, the company strives for thoroughness and transparency, ensuring that each candidate meets Shipt's strict requirements and standards. Such measures allow Shipt to maintain high-quality services and keep customers' trust throughout the collaboration. Process of background check in Shipt, step-by-step guide. The process of background check in Shipt, or Shipt Background Check, is a key stage in the hiring procedure for new employees. This process is designed to ensure the safety and trust of customers in the service, as well as to maintain high standards of quality of the company's services. Here is a step-by-step description of the process, including key stages and essential information. Application submission. Candidates begin by submitting an application for a job at Shipt through the official website or mobile app, providing their personal data and necessary information for the check. Initiation of the check process. After submitting the application, the company initiates the Shipt background check, meaning the start of the candidate's background data verification procedure. Criminal past check. One of the first and key steps is the check for a criminal past. Shipt investigates records in accordance with Shipt background check requirements to ensure that the candidate does not have a history of serious offenses. Driving history check. For candidates involved in delivery, Shipt also conducts a check of driving history. This step includes analysis of driving licenses, presence of violations, and accidents. Education and employment history check. The company may also request confirmation of education and previous work experience to verify the accuracy of the information provided by the candidate. Update on check status. Throughout the process, candidates can track the Shipt background check status through their account on the website or in the app to see the current state of the check. Completion of the check. Once all stages of the check are completed, the company makes a decision on employment. In case of successful passing of the Shipt background check, the candidate receives a job offer. Communication with the candidate. Regardless of the outcome, Shipt contacts the candidate to inform them of the check results and next steps. The Shipt background check process demonstrates the company's commitment to the safety of its customers and the quality of the services provided. Shipt aims to ensure that every employee meets high standards and contributes positively to the company's operation. How long does Shipt background check take? The duration of this process can vary and is influenced by several factors. Understanding how long the Shipt background check takes helps candidates navigate in time and set realistic expectations. Here is key information about the timelines and features of the check. Overall duration of the check. The question of how long a Shipt background check takes often arises among candidates. Typically, the process takes from a few days to 2 weeks, but can vary depending on specific circumstances. Factors affecting the timelines. Timelines can depend on the amount of information that needs to be checked, as well as the workload of the checking services and the specifics of criminal history or driving history requests. Check status. Candidates can track the Shipt background check status to receive up-to-date information about the progress of their check. This feature helps maintain transparency of the process and reduces candidates' anxiety. Variations in duration by different states and countries. How long the background check takes for Shipt may differ based on the legislation of a particular state or country, as local laws can affect the availability and processing speed of information. Preparation of necessary documents by candidates. The speed at which candidates collect and provide all required documents and information can also significantly affect the speed of the check process. This information helps candidates better understand what to expect from the Shipt background check process and what factors can influence its duration. It's important to approach this process with patience and readiness to provide all necessary information to expedite the procedure. Reasons for delays and refusals in hiring at Shipt. During the Shipt background check process, candidates may encounter various delays or even refusals. Understanding these reasons can help candidates better prepare and, possibly, avoid such situations. Here are the key factors that can affect the speed of the process and the outcome of the check. Incomplete or inaccurate data. One of the main reasons for delays is providing incomplete or inaccurate information by the candidate. Ensure that all data in your job application is filled out correctly and completely. Issues with criminal history. The presence of serious offenses in the criminal past can lead to not only delays but also refusal to hire. Shipt takes the safety of its customers seriously. Driving history. For positions related to delivery, the Shipt background check includes a check of driving history. The presence of serious violations or accidents can be a reason for delays or refusal. Delays in verification services. Sometimes delays are caused by the workload of external verification services, especially during periods of high demand for jobs, which can increase the Shipt background check time. Differences in legislation from state to state can also affect the verification process and its duration, especially when it comes to the accessibility of criminal records. Technical issues. Occasionally, delays can be caused by technical issues on the part of the Shipt platform or services conducting the check. Lack of response from references. If the verification process requires communication with former employers or references, delays can occur due to difficulties in obtaining responses from them. Understanding and considering these factors can help minimize the risk of delays in the Shipt background check process and increase the chances of successful employment. It's important to approach the application process responsibly, providing accurate and complete information, and to keep track of the check status to promptly respond to any Shipt requests. What to do if there are errors in the Shipt background check report. Discovering errors in a Shipt background check can be an unexpected and unpleasant surprise for candidates. Here are the steps that can help correct the situation. Carefully review the report. Thoroughly examine all information in the report to accurately identify sections with errors or inaccuracies. Contact the verification service. Immediately reach out to the service that conducted the Shipt background check using the contact information provided in the report. Provide evidence. Gather and submit all necessary documents that can prove the existence of an error, including certificates, official documents, and letters. Request correction of errors. Formally request the correction of errors by providing all collected documentation and ensure that your request has been registered. Track the status of the request. Regularly check the status of your correction request by contacting the verification service. Contact Shipt. After correcting the error, inform Shipt by contacting the hiring department or through your account. Prepare for additional verification. Be prepared for Shipt to request additional verification to confirm the correction of errors. Seek legal assistance. If attempts to correct errors on your own do not lead to success, do not hesitate to seek professional legal help. Our company specializes in protecting the rights of candidates and can help you navigate through the complex situation, ensuring the protection of your interests and facilitating a successful resolution of the issue. By following this step-by-step guide, you can effectively address and resolve issues related to errors in the background check report and minimize delays in the employment process at Shipt. Customer life stories. Issues with biographical data checks. Here are several real-life stories of individuals who faced problems during the Shipt background check process, highlighting the importance of a careful approach to this process. Jennifer. Error in criminal history. During her biographical data check, Jennifer found an incorrect entry about her criminal past. This became a significant obstacle to her hiring as a courier at Shipt. The error was corrected after Jennifer sought legal assistance and provided evidence of her innocence. Michael. Delay due to driving history. Michael faced an unjustifiably long Shipt background check process due to mistaken entries about violations in his driving history that actually belonged to another person. After clarifying the information and proving his non-involvement in the violations, the situation was resolved. Jessica. Incorrect employment data. In Jessica's biographical data check report, incorrect information about her previous employment appeared, raising doubts with the potential employer. The error was corrected after providing supporting documents about her actual work experience. David. Problems with credit history. David was Shipt application denied employment due to erroneous entries in his credit history discovered during the Shipt background check. The mistaken information about debts was corrected after contacting the credit bureau and providing evidence of no debts. Joshua. Refusal due to a technical error. Joshua received a refusal from Shipt without an explanation of reasons. It was later revealed that his application was incorrectly marked in the system as not passed the check due to a technical error. After clarifying the situation and reapplying, Joshua successfully passed the selection process. These examples underscore the significance of accuracy and diligence in preparing and conducting the Shipt background check. They also illustrate how timely legal support can help resolve arising issues, ensuring a fair outcome of the check. Advantages of consulting our legal firm. Consulting our legal firm offers significant benefits for individuals facing errors or delays in the Shipt biographical data check process. We specialize in defending rights according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA law, ensuring that our lawyers' services will be provided to you free of charge, as payment is made at the expense of the party against which the case is initiated. Our company stands out with hundreds of satisfied clients and a successful track record of securing million-dollar compensations, making us the ideal choice for protecting your interests and resolving all issues related to the biographical data check. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.